morning, welcome back to my channel. তো আমি রেডি উইথ মাই নাটস ফিগ অ্যান্ড মেথি ওয়াটার। তো এইটাই আমার সকালে জেনারেলি থাকে এভরিডে, তোমরা এতদিনে বুঝেই গেছো। বাট আই এম সিইং পিপল আর নট ফলোয়িং মি বাট ওয়াচিং মাই vlogs. Please do follow, guys. Please do follow and grow this channel to motivate others also to get from fat to fit, or maybe just fit and healthy in life. Eight আজকে আমার breakfast fruit for the day is pineapple, muesli, and that's it. Weight loss is not easy doing. কেন বলছি? বিকজ তোমরা শুধু দেখতে পারছো যে আমি ওয়ার্কআউট করছি, আমি ডায়েট মেনটেন করছি অ্যান্ড সব কিছুই করছি, বাট দেয়ার আর সো মেনি থিংস গোয়িং অন ইন দ্য ব্যাক এন্ড ইন লাইফ, with career, with life, with family, with everything financially. There are so much, like I cannot explain ki মানে কত কিছু চলছে, I cannot just tell, but still I am doing this to keep, you know, to start something, and I don't want ki I will drop it in middle of it. So মানে I can't explain also, মানে এমন এত কিছু চলছে লাইফে যে stress is here. If I am here, this is me, then my stress is here. And করতে ইচ্ছা করছে না, এখন মনে হচ্ছে দূর না করলেই ভালো হতো, মনে হচ্ছে এসব করে কি হবে, মিনস আই এম ফিলিং সো মাচ অফ ডিমোটিভেটেড, এত ডিমোটিভেট হয়ে গেছি আমি। First, though, I am jobless, and for me, a person who works in hotel industry, that too in front office, can relate to me what I am telling. Ki one day week off amra pai in a week, and that is too, we are not getting the week offs properly. We are still engaging in the reports and daily operations, in guest complaints, in briefings, in revenues and everything, and week after week of mono. And here I'm totally in a area where I can't even explain that this is totally a remote area. You can see এখন তো বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে, এখন তো তোমরা কিছুই দেখতে পাবে না, so this is the scenario. But মানে এই জায়গাটা এতটা রিমোট যে আমি বলেও বোঝাতে পারবো না। হিয়ার ইউ ক্যান নট ডু এনিথিং apart from staying home and just do what you want to do. You cannot go out. Every places are so far from here. I don't know. I'm sorry if I'm not making sense. You can skip this part if you don't want to listen to it. But I'm just sharing it because, again, my 21 days challenge is not only just about fat loss, it is also about getting mentally stronger, dealing with anxiety, dealing with stress, and still continue something which is so hard to do, so hard to do. I'm missing my rice, I'm missing my comfort food, I'm missing so much of me right now, but I'm still doing it because I really, really, really want to do this. I had enough of listening and getting gyan from random people. Like yesterday ka hi কথা বলছি, কালকে আমরা যেখানটাতে খেতে গেছিলাম ফুড স্টলটাতে, সাম র্যান্ডম ম্যান কেম অ্যান্ড sat next to our table and he started कि आप इतने मोटे हो तो आपको प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता, आप लोग ऐसे हो, देन ऑफ कोर्स जीत took it एंड जीत सेड कि हम लोग ऐसे ही है, हमारा फूड हैबिट ऐसा है वगैरह वगैरह, जस्ट टू गिव हिम अ कॉन्टेक्स्ट कि वी आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड. बट this is not the first time I have heard something from a random people at a random street or a random place. When you say somebody something like this, and the other person whom you are telling this, it's not a joke. I mean, it is not a joke that you comment on some, and that was opposite gender, okay? And he started telling ki ha, I'm also planning to open a homestay, and will it work and not, and all these things he started telling. And then randomly he started talking about me and my fat body, like आपको प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है, मुझे तो होता है, मैं तो इतना सा ही मोटा हूँ फिर भी मुझे प्रॉब्लम होता है, एंड ऑल दिस थिंग बोलते शुरू कर लो. And I can't explain, but this is not the first time somebody is telling me something or judging me based on my appearance and based on my body. Like, this is not a joke. Okay. When you say something to someone, you should know what you are speaking to, what you are speaking on, whom you are speaking to, and what you are commenting. The people you are telling fat, she or he already knows that he or she is fat, and he or she needs to do something, and you don't know the backstory whether he or she is doing something or not doing, or they have tried or not tried. You don't know. They might have medical conditions, they might have some physical conditions, they might have some financial conditions, they might have a lot of going at the back. Rather just pointing them out, I will say, if you are seeing this video, then I'll say that please stop doing it, please. It's not a matter of joke. And if you are telling someone something like this, they already know that they are fat. No need to remind them that they are fat. Well, this is a basic common sense. I think people should, start talking about it, that in a random place to a random person, you just cannot come up and say that आप इतने मोटे हो गए हो तो आपको प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता. ऑफ कोर्स होता है. मे बी ही और शी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम. मे बी उनको डेली रिचुअल, मतलब डेली जो अपना काम है वो तक करने के लिए प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. बट व्हाई डू यू नीड टू नो अबाउट इट? Because you don't know the backstory of it. So you need to shut your mouth, sit, eat, pay for the bill, and then go. You don't know me, I don't know you, and why you need to tell this? অনেক চেষ্টা করছি আমি to keep myself motivated, to keep myself positive, to just keep going with my this journey. But there are things that going on in behind, and I'm really getting demotivated, and I'm really thinking to quit at some point. जब मेरा मतलब जखन আমার ডিনার শেষ হয়ে যায়, I just think I'll quit this tomorrow. I will wake up and I'll say I failed, I'm not doing this anymore. I'll go and eat some good sugar wala sweet, or some good a plate of rice chicken. I am controlling myself of not doing this, but it is not happening. This is so hard. I didn't know that after a week of this challenge, I'll come here online and I'll say that I am in a verge of quitting this challenge and I'm not doing it. But this is what it is. This is what life is all about. I don't know. Maybe I'll quit, maybe I'll not do it. But I still don't know what I will do, what I will not, because I'm so much in the edge of stopping this challenge and not doing it. I myself feel this is not for me. Maybe if there was any pill which I would taken at night and in morning I would get slim, would be a better thing. Maybe this world is not made for me. I'm missing my office, I'm missing my daily life. I'm not liking this life anymore. I don't know. I'm really sorry for all this, but if you see me someday not coming up with a video, I'm just here to say this. If you see me someday in this 21 challenge day that I'm not coming up with any video any day, then please know that that day I was super stressed out, or maybe I'm not not doing it, or maybe I didn't want it to do this challenge, or maybe that day I've shoot nothing, and that's it. So this is how my current progress is after a week of no sugar and rice. I don't know whether this is working or this is not working, but this is what it is, and this is the result after 7 days of my 21 days challenge. আজকের লাঞ্চটা হচ্ছে ফুল প্রোটিনে ভর্তি, এক্সট্রিমলি প্রোটিনড হচ্ছে খাবার। দিস ইজ মাই লাঞ্চ, দই, সয়াবিন আর ডালিয়া অ্যান্ড কিউকাম্বার। And that's it for the dinner and the day. I'll come up tomorrow.